Welcome back to Toga TV, and this is a brand new movie called Anything for the Money. So you see that title there, you know, so the movie go hot. You see me? Before you go in the movie, I want to go over to Shanique's lifestyle and like, share and subscribe. Get her to 1,000K. Click and fast me. You have a post movie over there. So stay tuned. It's a new movie channel. So stay tuned. Link out there in the description so you can get a fast move to go over there. So just click the link, bam, go over there, subscribe. Tell her say, Toga send me over there. So big up on yourself. And remember, like, share and subscribe on the movie. Share it to all of my friends and family. Big up on yourself.
Stop one so I don't know what me I come from over this.
You get money from friends over this place.
Yeah. And I went over the girl last night. I get there at the bar, meet one look once go. And I introduce him over there and he rent over there for the night.
Yeah. So mama say I see them roll.
Mama, me I roll, mama.
I'm happy for you.
I work, girl. Work.
So you get paid?
Yeah, them account.
Okay.
Work my body. As I'm just saying, if you come on the road and start sell.
No girl. Me not come on the road.
So if you don't like your style.
Then they work they enough for me.
So if you don't like your style, really. You think it's hard for you to sell a little bit of something what God give you?
No.
God never give for yourself alone, you know.
This is something you know meant to sell.
Where me they sell mine?
That's a your one. So
Yeah, sell mine.
so what kind of man you meet?
One black man, could what kind of man? I mean, any day name there me book one white client. Easy day you not see me back.
Yeah, done it done.
Gone, me gone.
Yeah, girl.
Green card. Fly out.
Yeah, girl.
Yes. But as I say, if you come on the road.
Mama, they say them the road they enough for me.
Really, you can't money to reflect. That's how you know. When you know if you split that up with your head top, just stop at the post, me give you my all time post. Me can't give me no post because I'm a no post, I'm making more money. All time post like all in wall over there. So you just put on your hand on the ground and cook up and skin out, then we get clients.
I'm not depend that. Me alright. Me require.
I'm not like a style. I can't go introduce you to the man. I make him man give you some money.
No, me alright, girl. Me did that go up the road, that's so me.
Go on, me I come, go on. I don't know who you are going to be a broke pocket man you have.
Which broke pocket? It doesn't have to ask you. I feel like me make up my mind now. I work. Oh, me get paid. What me do all the things I can. I go for the bridge and come up with task, you know.
Oh, I'm going to come up with some things. Come up with some things. I can't put it in your head. Still no. You see, when you never go out there, you can't go on the bridge. When you go on the bridge, you have one back of competition. I don't work on the bridge, you know. How you work? On the road. I work on the bridge. And them, and sometimes they clear them all the garbage because I be a big old girls them down here.
Oh, so small, you know.
Right, something you got to know. When I go on the road, you go on the road with one night.
Alright. Which night?
You need to, it's like your breast them smaller now. Puff up your chest.
So?
Yes. Cock out your back. I want a little cocky out. And want sexy. Yes. Then you know, see your hair done, just do your edges, fix up back your lash, your beard. I'm just say you smell good. Because once you smell bad, then I go say nothing to you now. When you did that now, they now come and say, you sell nothing. Then you just tell me just look nice and then pass and say business. You say yes, business.
Okay.
But still, you know, some man broke. Some of them don't got no money. Since when I go there,
so I'm going to know if they don't have no money.
You beg for the money for long, what your hand falls before you open up your hand and it open up your hand. Just to me now. You're good enough?
Yeah.
It's like me know on my account, me will remit me. Me then transfer them to my account.
Okay.
Then
So
me do what me
you
do.
reach your account.
Mama, me have sense, me look for my phone and me look to say it good there.
Okay.
You understand?
So what?
And then if they don't have that, you know, use that now. Because I think of them type of quality of things, you know. You take cash in a hand. How much you think if you charge for you doing this? So?
Want 10 grand.
10 grand?
So me don't know how much they charge.
So, no, even if you don't know how much they charge, you charge 10 grand for your hand and it. A lot 50,000 I charge for mine.
Huh?
When me book a big client, so you see the rich man there with the rich watch.
Yeah.
You can't charge cheap.
Okay.
You see if I see like little broke man, them all like to take a broke man like so little broke you.
Yeah.
Something there. You charge them all like 10 grand now, because they don't have nothing at that time. They are dead for hungry. When you see the big rich client, them pull up in their jelly. They go for jelly client.
I charge one big man. Tell me what you charge him. 80 grand. Chop him.
No man, not pay 80 grand for done this so.
Mama, you don't know about down your son, you know. You don't know about down your son. Oh, you have to pay 50 grand for done this so.
Mama, because of 50 grand, one time they try 100 and they lose the client.
Yeah,
so I just drop off 50.
Jesus Christ.
Guys say not pay so much. But as me I say, girl, all you have to do.
Me walk on the road around
Yes. But nowhere they must not come on the road. I got to get so hot girl cool. I told last night, I'm not going to go for work, you know. I make 50,000, I'm never going to go for work.
Oh, yeah.
And I mean, trying to step at the bar and then me see a client and I realize, say, you know, matter the
money.
time or the hours,
Yes.
still at work.
Right, go
Yes, that's some bucket clients. So you can't book clients in your yard clothes and sitting there. If your name bigger road, my name bigger road, you know.
My name big.
If not for the helicopter and stuff, they can't give them the light up and back thing, you don't make no money.
Helicopter.
You can stop by there and top of the man, but I don't come on a man about you because that's sorry for your card. You know what
One name helicopter.
you know, I soon teach you. Can I come like your man young? I soon show you. I go train you.
Young to true.
Alright, girl. I see you. Let's start your talk. Watch out. Man, that girl has one.
How are you disappeared to last night?
Girl, let me move this up here. Go to. I see them by the tall boy in there, tall big man in there. That's it, man. I'm kept with girl. I'm realizing how money somebody just those whoops and quick time.
I lie.
Yeah.
Say that again. You know, money for you can get big or something.
That's what I go.
You know, just said you want to have money, so have you seen your money?
Me never work for me, so better take a little time and go on where you're going. Come never work for me, are you?
You know when I come go down and buy.
Listen to me, people like them, they just start in a business, they do like them. Yeah. People like them, see she start sell. Then she stop selling and all counter. Now she has suffer. She beg me money.
Hey, me have my money, girl. Don't do that.
Yeah.
Don't do that.
Yeah.
Don't do that. Me never yet broke. No, but no, because I beg you, girl. Me never yet broke. No, don't bribe.
Say I'm money and they beg me money.
Too bright now.
Selfish girl them
People
there.
want to see if they're gonna give me. But obviously, if you have money and I'll give me. Just know they never go ask me if you don't if you shot. Because I'm already.
Take that too bright. Me tell me teacher something at the game too. You say no, go ahead and you sell that so. Don't take your money where you make from off of this or give nobody a year.
But me there know that's how she did stay. She fling the money in your face.
She fling in my face. And then you the next one. To go over some more. Yeah, we are but let me are your friend. You go give some more in man purse. You come over and defend me.
I say yeah, you got money.
You see me hang and palm up, you say back here in her face. I pick like I'm in the car.
Carry a car on for now, girl, for your sauce and grime and the car.
Look at you. How are you?
No, them girls I work more on get.
What kind of work?
Any work right now.
Any work?
Yeah, cause tell me suffer.
This girl can't say I want to work.
She can help me.
Maybe. Let's go to one go up the school.
What can I work?
But one year. You will ask about the work.
What kind of work? Come on, best of me. What kind of work?
Girl, let me just say, I have one friend. You see the type of work that she do, I don't know. If you would have willing to do it.
What kind of work that?
Mama, I'm gonna make you meet my friend one day. No me I no skin to make na work.
But I think me not sure what she did. So she maybe feel either go down the road or come up the road by then time, I know. How then time she come in?
For work?
Yeah, most likely coming from work or they go to work. One out of two, I'm not sure. So, we're going back to the see her. I'm going to look at your friend now. But I hope it your manager work then.
Woman, I need what me a take.
Same thing.
What she did, me a wait.
So, see her. See her.
Oh, man,
Girl, come here, girl. Come here. That looks a big clothes. Anyway,
Alright.
Trish, this is my friend Kayla. Kayla, this is Trish, one of my friends.
Hi, nobody
Trish.
wanna work, you know.
How does
Me
she
nobody wanna work, 'cause she not like a bar, she a walk. You know, like a, when you call them gamble place, they
Hello, I can't look for people and judge. You judge too much.
From me look at, from the look at her, me know what kind of work she do. Bridge office here. Me know what that work there. That work there not for me. Me have too much subject to go a bridge.
Let me ask you a question. Make I ask you a question, big back girl. So, me I left after my work and I come in so careful for me I go rest. So left back out soon.
Yeah.
You tap me after that little butter yes friend to come this way.
Any better years there is you,
No,
mama.
she said she want to work. So me I said, me have a friend about work. She said, any work. So basically,
Except bridge.
you never said
First
that.
of all, you see it
Make
now.
I address you now. I don't work on the bridge.
We work under the bridge.
I for the low soul girl them. I work up class, mama. I want to do things with the people and drive jelly. So
Right.
calm down yourself. Hello. Come in and make a treat.
If you are do something with man, you drive jelly or jelly, whatever I want you. Why then can't they hear?
Mama,
Why you like
mama,
that?
you know why me like that?
Why?
For sure, I say me working. Every time them pull. Cause you see, some of the girl in the rest, man, can't sell. Cause I don't know if they little up on the back. You can't want little up on your back.
Mama,
I feel like you be spider.
Alright,
wanna calm down.
How about
Calm down. Calm down on top. When you do this, back and forth. You say you don't want the work. Argument
No.
done. You gonna find a different work then.
No problem.
You know, you say don't want the work. So alright.
No, she up the work. She freaking
You are the worker. Nobody argue with she. She alright.
Anyway, I'm not focused on shirt. So when you come in at work, because we have one client for you already.
Yeah, me are coming tomorrow, tonight. Later when they go, I can call me and get ready and come.
Just remember, see the freedom of company work, you know.
Me know. Me got a top.
An idea, yeah.
An idea. Alright.
Girl, I'm on the bridge, me work on the figure out at night time. When you work on the bridge.
And you just call me and let me get ready.
Up at casino, I want to go today.
Okay.
So I'll go up a yard now.
Yeah.
Go fresh up.
Yeah.
And cool off. I think I go fresh up. I'll go up and cool off. I'm go up at casino because I have a room up there.
Yeah.
One hotel beside it and there's some stay. But I want some more equipment to put in my bag. Because I have to pepper spray somebody. Because I want to get up there can't agree. You look like you're here. Silly. I'll go up on one mission. I'll catch you later. Later, mama, later.
You gotta know what you don't want no
Come
money.
tell her this. It's a friend like them there. A friend like them there do things. But them are do it for free.
Yes.
Come sure to God that she has sex. Yes, because she has sex, you know.
Sneaking.
What is the difference? You would think she is collect. She don't want to collect. She want to run her body free like a hello.
Right.
Hello.
Alright, just call me, girl.
Mama, go over your yard now. Call my phone. Go over your yard now. Go take off them because you can't come sell front in them.
Alright.
Take off them. Them not work. You can't catch no man in them there. Hurry up.
That never do. That never
You
do.
know where you're going at that. In a big shot.
So there I do a go and easy. How are you go? I'm on party, so how are you go?
Me are going for him to go look at work, my brother.
So, girl, we don't have work already. You know,
Hello.
active.
Hello, stop the noise. Stop the noise. Stop the noise. You must speak to you.
What you? Oh, now look where it gets up.
Oh, my dress. Now look at right, man.
In slippers, in a tights, I show up on nobody.
I work now look when I supermarket to work there. I must get to work as yet. I look at supermarket to work.
Supermarket.
Yeah.
supermarket.
Yeah, a supermarket work, Mr. Brother.
But girl, I said work.
I will take the orange juice and dash in your face. Suck the knives. Nobody attack to you?
I open the word when me thinking in my mind.
Which word
Uno
that?
adjust a part for God look.
Which word that? Which word
I
that?
don't sell your plan to sell.
No, people who sell goat at night time, brother, you don't know that. Me not sell, me never sell my body.
Just
before.
by looking at the way on a dress. With a bag.
No, me too good looking for your sell body. Me too nice for your sell.
What supermarket you look at?
But I the wholesale, then I new one open up.
Hello.
You say, Kayla, you see me ever find out that ear
Remember
nobody
I say appointment.
yeah, do that down the road there.
What is your drink some more walk one?
Or over the bridge.
Walk one.
Oi! Listen to me I say. Me say if me ever hear say you do nothing over bridge there. Me I put you out of the
brother.
house. Even though you left for the 2 away, me I put you out.
So you put up better your house.
Try
You know I'm
that.
not talking because I'm
You hear
make
me
me
say?
lose my work. Later, me soon come, stay in the yard.
Just try hear what me say now. And remember. Anyhow me ever hear, me I put you out. I don't know what I want to take up on myself, but selling things are good too.
Yeah man, so later I'm gonna send somebody to pick up it. Yeah man, no problem.
Well, Grandpa, you good?
Yeah, I know how to deal it.
When they are so young, I met me with the girl. I said to me about girl, watch out. Gray and
Girl.
See how you. See your first client, yeah.
What's up? I say your friend a babe's push.
Hi.
Hey, what's up?
Hold on, give me a there. Hold on, give me a moment. Come on, when I call on so I get you run with the man, you idiot. And I said, I'm not an idiot, girl, power work, you know. Rub down the man. See, I'm making you feel nice. I'm making you feel wonderful.
Alright, girl. Stop being young, sir.
No, I want puppy that I'm a responsible place, you know. I'm going to the bar and everything.
Yeah, the bar you go so start
When
work.
you're ready, you can go and drink and enjoy yourself and them the style. You know, if you find they around me, you know, say everything okay enough for it.
Yes.
I'll be very comfortable. Me a 360 now. Wow. Me good I know man, you can
Alright,
buy a beer here.
Yeah,
Or
man.
yourself, you know your thing lock.
And do your business.
Yeah, girl.
Me I go pa- yeah, me I go pa-
properly.
Me I go parent and go look for my business. Remember, oi. Remember for you use boots, which have boots in this. Cause
Everything lock.
you're not breathe if you breathe. Okay.
You're going like I first say I care client come give me. So, what's up on me?
Nothing.
What heap of money me have to spend in it? Fuck man.
Okay.
Oh God, nobody have to reach more work for me, you know.
I wish mission don't worry yourself, just settle your ketchup. Moment. When I'm fit order.
Bartender.
Oh, see gentleman.
Where do you live general?
I like.
Thing good. I have a work
Yes,
here now.
familiar.
Yeah man, so me call and make you know what I'm going. Yeah, anything she want man, I look as slim as a roll.
Oh, you man.
If she order anything, I can pay for it, just
Make sure. One like say, you don't have money when you don't add no money.
listen me I say, you know my thing and I'm not
Yeah.
capping in it. That's special, so especially when I
Yeah.
pay for it, you know.
No, I don't want to hear you.
No, not any shit.
I'm not innocent.
What?
I'm not innocent.
Kind of local.
Yeah, actually.
Hey, this year this be back?
No.
No, me I
Hey,
say.
it's true. I can't remember this.
No, you may talk man, me I say, me not go a local bar around this so. I big one, me like stepping in, you know, because my money them big. I'm some drinks there.
And who's the rise on I
You drink one of them that way, you know. And I ain't say my things there, but you drink one of them.
When you know just tell me say 2 cup
Bartender spending a lot of
business, make sure you have your money here.
So girl,
you know.
They are take a rough life.
yeah, me did sour.
Channel yourself, can see you.
Woo!
Come up on a back and say.
Yeah.
Looking to turn the ball away from the right-handers. Can't think the rules what the strategy is within the park.
And I can see your boy. Other day I see me, I tell you say,
Last ball,
I go on like in a member me, you know.
Girl, we didn't run out of the place.
Hello.
Where are they living?
I turned to that. Me back. You know. No working for them working there start drink.
Yeah, no
No man, she good man, we have a drink man.
Yeah, me have a
Me have another client ready. No working there working there to start
Listen,
drink.
any how much your client they go pay, they can't pay that. I may have our fee.
You know, no run there. Give me.
I may have our fee there, no worry yourself. Money talk
Set your
there.
body good, set your body good, set your body good. I hear some work.
No matter what.
I hear some work. Set your body good.
So girl,
Me there here.
you done the first client already?
Yes, me not the top of that drink like a you.
No, me like easy about with the client. Give me a light, give me a light. Me a light, can gentlemen. Come work.
You're good.
Me good man, I'm me she could have go work so me can start work. Me like when she smell me at work.
No man, she great man, she
So the
great.
drink after the something and no go on.
General. Carry one of you, you know. Yeah man. General man, talk big boss and deal.
Are you a general?
Yeah man, but the boss money
So
stinking it.
Alright.
You thinking money easy?
So yeah, bye. Come here, no, I'm ready.
Bartender, how much more you?
Sure.
Already married now. Me not do like my mother.
How much more you?
950.
950.
So you can put something up in your belly for me
No
leave.
problem, man. You know, say I card me have family, so I just this change me have family. You use card?
No, you see bar you scared?
No, me go on bar already and I use card.
Uptown bar.
Good instant Trace.
You can take your change, your bartender, check in and see how much. How much that?
Never fi work. Come in here reach yes, me have another client. Pick your 3 client. Me not done already. How much
How
you
much
not?
you got?
None.
How we are left with $50?
Just take your change.
You don't say you don't go local.
Yeah man.
Who does that?
You not ready? You not ready?
Yeah, man.
So come on, you sit down. You go work, you sit down. You dey buy and you sit down. No, sir, come on, we are here. How are this?
I say, oh, it's nice.
A regular day, man. This other one I get so stuff, man. I have plenty more, isn't it? This other something, the 1 and 2 more.
Okay.
Go on in and set up yourself. I enjoy myself. I really go out 3 more rounds. When I can you valiant sing, but your body there.
Okay.
Something about the body there.
So let's talk, you know, the money.
No, if me now, me is a man, me not like rush. You see, from me say I will get the money, ask a friend will come let you off of my foot. Then the girl knows that my thing legit. Just listen to me and say when I talk to you. Me not grow on people, my cash life.
Alright.
Really and truly, I tell you say, it feel like I wanna move, go and put me, I tell you. Look, when me get me, I tell you, I want to stay like, I really want to take things seriously.
Once I have the money, once I go spend pan a
If
body.
I say, no, man, if it's from me, I go in here, so me and your, my pencil go in your book, then I know reason for you worry about the money. Me can give you 100 book right now.
And that's what I want to say.
That's what people say. What me say, me and them are the same thing. Listen to me as I do. I want to spend time, I want to take things seriously. I don't want to have you up on the side. I want you to be my wife. My type, if you swing on your knife,
Yeah.
everything will be alright.
Alright.
And you feel in my bed all day and night. slap up on your body and squeeze up on your breast or something well tight. My parents tell her, wow, you drive me crazy and you don't care.
My God.
You have to take it key. You have to behave yourself, you know. What
So-
you see the thing you do now? Then my business the way you do. You see, like how if me I take things serious, me know how you do them thing. I mean, me we take care of you. Anything you want, me we give you that, baby.
Alright.
If you want an apartment, you will get that. I show me a man, me no really brag and me no boast. I
Alright.
talk to you and you yarn. It's like me should have suffered all the money pop on the mouth too.
Cook, so you don't feel like you want to do one more round?
Right now.
Somehow where you come from? Where you come from? You look like them beat out pig.
Oh, girl, I'm tired.
The most tired.
What?
No, my mom, I can't believe she really falling like a maga girl go sell your body.
Girl, it's something good to get for.
Where you get good out of here?
Girl, it's a big opportunity.
Where you get?
Money, I'm get a big life. Me get
If you
better
get
life.
horse, land, and one carry this better than too bad.
Girl, don't
Money
worry.
is nothing,
It's
mama.
on
You
the
could
way.
do any other job and get money.
Girl, it's
You look
on the
beat
way.
out and dead. Look on the lash them.
Girl, it's a something good me go do it for. Me not go do it for no leggy.
How much money you get?
Just know some get a money. Me
How much money you get?
Me not go tell you my budget.
See same thing. Mama, you look beat out and dead.
Girl, me
That
get
job you don't look like
50,000.
it fit you. See same thing. Mama, what 50,000 can do?
At least you can hold me for the day. And by later, me can go make a next 50.
So you go back on the road again?
What if stop me? Right now, me go rest my body. I'm gonna take a nice cool shower and lie down and sleep until 3 o'clock. Me go back again. Cause you see the man? The man have money, own car, house, everything. I buy him own and he have money.
Alright, free fall.
Are you the free for all?
Mama, are you
Can
a
not
free
get
for
no
all?
money? Bye.
Me not sell my property if you get no money, mama. If me a sell my property a house and land me want, you feel my property cheap?
I just want to see. Where you come from? You tell you what? But you get you? Huh? You get you?
Let me tell you, you can't come on work. Why are you looking?
Where you do you condom neighbor?
People can't walk with condom again.
Where you are doing condom in your back?
Stop me, you be a
And
chop.
you left to go look work.
Me walk with the condom. Cause me feel like first me supposed to meet one boy.
What you say all that? Say what you just say.
Tell me say people tell you I'm going
Say what we just say right now.
I'm going to be off and lie down.
What you smell, sir?
Oh, me smell.
Like a sex.
Probably one of my friends them rub up on me.
You, I'm going to take this out.
I want. That mama.
Mama, you know say you me a look for far when?
You look for me family?
I swear to God.
Come.
You know say one night me see you on the bridge door. By the time you go a machine and come back you disappear. I so fast you move.
Yeah, me move fast. I'm money me a look.
Money I look.
Yeah.
Me glad me not have to go back on a machine still me have it for me.
So what going?
Me there man. So how you do business?
How me do business? Me buy how me do business.
Yeah. Like price, cost.
My price 50,000 up.
But whole bed set me a buy man.
Yeah.
How they feel worth it though?
Yeah, it's still worthy, and I say everyone. That's why I move so fast. Cause it's worthy.
So why second price?
That's the second. No, not the second price. I got the price. I get
50,000.
more. Oh, you can give me 30.
30.
You get quarter.
That not bad. So where you go now?
I know say I don't probably run me and go, but you want business?
Yeah?
So come on.
That feel crazy, sir?
Yeah, this is one of my cottage, them, you know.
Close them, man.
See how they use my place, so.
Sir.
All the right thing. Why?
Why?
Glad me see you, know.
Yeah, I'm glad to see you took a piece of money this Nigeria.
Yeah, man, and happy. It's a walk-ins, you see an idea, yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, a piece of money for me, so. Come on, man. Right.
Bombard. You know, say I should have get one pack of boots, though. You don't run for you?
No, I'm not walk with this in the car, man. So, go buy and come back.
You know, say I'm a whole walking distance. Not good, yeah, man. Father God just protect me and guide me.
Alright. So, shall protect you and guide you through.
How?
Nothing.
Bombard, don't start. Little lesson. So,
Wait.
yeah. So, you never know that.
Jesus Christ.
So, Mama, if it's so good, what do you expect? You expect me to pull out?
Help me go to a pharmacy to buy a morning after. So, you done?
It more ask you, you just lay on so and get up so like you're ready to cut left me. I mean, no man right now, that
Alright, come. Come finish, come finish.
Good.
Of course.
Yeah, you say me now make a go and Charlie car. You hurt it though. The girl cut it.
Alright.
You tip that man. Why me I tell her baby me have to go meet up for next time now, cause I love it.
Yes, anytime you're ready, once you have your money.
Me ever have my money, man. I see y'all I get tip too. You can't accept me have money.
Yes, me see. So, anyways, me I go here now, so take care of yourself.
Alright.
Alright.
So, you know the number can call her?
Yeah.
Oh, come on.
You just put the money.
You are some rich man. Number and phone. You want to look for you walk up.
Yeah, just call me. Call me.
One day. Oh, that girl, I am, man. Hello. How are you? Yes, we can't link, you can't meet me on the gate from. Feel like I'm gonna do some business today. Alright, they are wait for you. Yes. Feel like I want to feel, you know.
What?
They are want to you know.
Yeah, me alright. Business?
That can't go on me so that I call us about. Go more, feel like you see street thing where they run up on and 7th front, 7th body. You know, I don't think I go on that car. I go on that for myself. Remember say me come in here.
I want a man, last man tell me that me not see him back. So, you mean by you coming at me? You coming at me just, that's in your brain. So you coming at me. But nothing like this.
You can't see that woman would want to for myself or if I have to pay me, I will pay you.
The last man tell me that me not see him back. So you serious?
Of course I'm serious, I pay your fees. Count it. You say that good?
It's a pass my price.
Yeah, mama, I see you something, man.
Okay.
I want to come on fire with them, make something the way I do, just forget about all the way I do. Just go sick with them and live in.
Why? Amount of man tell me this.
No, that amount of man, but me I tell her, say, yo, I'm willing to spend for you, I'm willing to do the right thing.
Why? So, why? Amount of man, but you trust yourself? Anyway. What can you say? So where are you now?
I don't know more than problem, just go back over me. I don't know if I would have forward or if you have something to do.
Alright, here I'm gonna do. I'm gonna check my friend. Cause my friend, I have to check it out. I'm gonna check my friend her name and check her back. Oh, that's him.
Alright, yeah.
Alright.
Yeah, if she go come back. I wonder if that girl go general me out. Just spoke to Father God saying come back.
Whoa. Girl, what's going on? Girl, count this. Count this. What they call that, my friend?
Where you get money from?
One man, girl, one new client me meet.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Who get 15,000?
Girl, the man.
Thank you.
So what they call that? Me not see upon the road for when. Oh. Girl, it's sun hot.
tired.
Sun, get up on your son and go sit. Me not drop. Girl, the sun hot in your yard. You say I go and feel me now.
Nothing not going for me right now. My thief want man money, so me have to hide.
Lord God.
I'm very tired. My body beats me.
Look beat out the true.
Yeah, girl, my tired for true.
Mama.
Bye-bye.
Lord
God.
God. Friends, see TV money and I think if you take the money there here.
Mama, you don't want to know say me thief the money and somebody else thief from me.
Me
Me broke like a dog. Don't even dog and broke like a me need help.
yeah, idiot. You thief money.
So you stop them far far, yeah, idiot?
Me believe you accept a cent. A cent is so.
You have sense, you have money and now do your head. You have sense. You have sense, you have a house. My girl, see how somebody head that hurt me from me coming on the money and me broke like a dog. Don't face it with me.
Why?
Me hungry and all of them. So like how me bring you into the business now. I feel like it's a time for you to introduce me to the man and get the money. Need a new client here because I pay US this. Might as well just give me it.
Yeah, for you.
Alright, wait man, introduce me to the man. Can I go to the man right now?
Well, that's so good.
I the best something this pan the market better than
Well,
you.
you're ready. So
Oh.
you get the man number then.
No, I want to see the man now.
You want to see the man now?
Yeah?
Hold on, let me tell you something. The man said he want me to stop selling my body. He want to take me up in the hand. Remember when he first one to tell me? And that is someone else to tell me. But I don't care about introduce it to the man.
So come let me tell you this. You say you sell down there so. Anybody who you sell down there so to don't take them up in your life and they with them because them are crosses.
A true.
And me don't want the clients you can't bother there with them because me want them in your life to forget some money. So go on.
I mean, I go there with the client.
No! You gotta look at another one now. Go
You're
on.
right. You're not easy. And me and you are not the client. So you come on. I'm my client.
Me no, not nothing. So you say one now.
Come on, walk up. See me come back. My friend here. Yeah, she today want to meet you. Alright? No, they're not at all.
What kind of friend is? You not talk to her first.
Yeah, me did talk to her. Hello, sir. You don't have nothing. Nothing off. Nothing in my pocket.
Your friend not tell about it?
Yeah, ma'am.
So what kind of money this sir?
Ask you a thing and you get $2.
How are you?
Remember say at
You
first?
think me not get like what you get?
Mama, you give me the thing.
No, no, sir, friend.
How you work then?
So you will soon.
Tell me how it work.
You will soon know.
So come on, we go around, we go do something, you give me some money. Come on, man.
No, you got card today. You see what I money I did have? You don't give her.
Come back here, broke so.
Who broke? Me not get no money until you come on.
Me not like broke pocket man, you know. It's what you're doing business.
Lord. You see, you love embarrass me. I be embarrass me. You embarrass me too much.
Tell me what I do then.
Take the man number. Fuck man like a
It's
rookie. You a rookie?
Your number on the phone. So I can contact you anytime you're ready. Yeah? You look very nice in the morning. Thank you. And right number?
Yes.
What you mean?
Me I go up, go sleep. Cause my body feel tired.
So I think I'm here to check on below with me.
Alright, come on.
So now go here go with money and the money. You know the money until later, so you not go later.
I want to pay. I don't pay for already, you know.
Oh, you know do it yet?
I pay for.
Really?
You want me give you? I'm gonna show you. I think just pay me.
See never do nothing?
No, we never do it yet.
Oh, so go on then and I'll be fine.
Alright.
So you can't book no client right here, so.
Yeah, girl. You must book a thing.
Somebody give me $2,000. $2,000 money, me bomb that. It look like your money, you know. You take a one off an eye. Wait. No, it starts cooking because she don't know if it looks good. Timmy, I feel like you're over there. You can't come here a little bit there. Put me at the front. Alright.
Wait, some Taylor.
Come here, look oh my goodness, they're here.
Sure.
Yeah.
Love me, see her.
Man, I don't want to man, I tell you if you left far and there with me because I me love you.
I must have to chew that too.
That's your Riri, you look at Riri, you know. I must say Riri still her body, you know. I want a man Riri have right now. You can't date Riri, people like a Riri, lower standard, video people like a me. You know like me here.
What you mean, eh? So,
I money, you give me that weight and I'm show you it.
good girl, good girl.
Me can't pull it on right now. Me catch it up.
Kayla, you know what I say? As me and say, you know, say I chew you tell car. How has me step up here? They stand up on my gate.
Hey, come here and wait for you.
Normally, I really for there, so.
We read somewhere as a man, I made a wait for you. You know what? Something good in your life. I hear, I could have to pay you, make you look nice. We say you have a woman, look, you look broke down. Oh, God.
I never see a better thing.
You know what I mean, sir?
What you up to?
I'm just coming for you. So we there now, you're really living, but if you live free, you make me a day, you know. I'm just going to check for you.
Alright.
So you make me go over and introduce me in your house.
Anyway, left off our roadside.
Yes, come. Come here, ready?
No, Kayla, listen. My girl.
Well,
I never that me bring you come on my place for you know.
so what you want then?
My girl, listen. That's why me I look. Relationship me I look. So me need a strong woman by my side. You work career, do. I can do so.
Yeah, man. Me not 50 or something there. Me that tell her if you tap sell her body and tap do that type of work there and she attempts me if you can't do it. I mean, I said, no, me not do that type of work there. Me not do them something there, TV.
Okay, make sure you know do them something. Because what I'm saying is a strong woman more by my side.
Me strong.
My sister, you're strong.
So
But
I say, me work.
no, it's too fast, it's too early.
Oh,
Can't work so fast.
so how fast you want to work? Slow?
Yeah, we have to take with time. Remember me just a meet, you know. The other day, you know. I don't know if it's too long, you know. I really
Alright then. We're going to take it slow then. So what we must do?
They tell me say you want to see my place.
Yeah.
Look around, walk around and look for my place.
No, me never want to see them, but that mean they come over to see the bed. But you say we not reach at the level there yet. So we going to see me way through the door.
So you tell me say my bed really come on me hard to go in.
No.
Yo, man, a lie you tell me, you know.
No, me not tell you no lie. Me think so that you love Riri for the work what she do. Some that pretend to do the work what she do so you can love me too.
Me no business with Riri and you work, you know. Me just like Riri because Riri look like a one good man, one strong woman. So, I want to take her up off the road. She should be my wife. I want to turn her more the relationship between me and her.
See where Riri there now? Man, yeah, that one client me see Riri gone with this morning. Riri bad.
So, we are going to sit down and we are raise a look.
Me if you want. Me if you want. Can me good. How soon I will talk. Yeah? Alright. So we talk about the relationship.
Yeah.
Me tell you what kind of man I look for. Me look for a strong man. Someone to love me and care for me. And understand. If you have understanding. Because sometimes I get very loud.
So I tell me, say, hit it too, we are look about.
Yes.
So not good thing that.
Yes, man, someone if you did it by my side when things get rough, you understand?
Car really look like some light, you know, all over the place, can't control her.
Listen to me now, TB.
I'm turning off the fire.
No, man, left me hot.
Oh.
So you say you look for no in a man. Just that alone?
Yeah, me need a relationship. Me can't bother with the back and forth and run up and down thing.
Yes.
Me know if you're serious.
Me very, very serious. You me want.
Alright, we're going to work with it still, you know. Me go see you have to prove that to me, though, you know.
What am I do?
You have to prove, say me you want.
Me approve it to you. See me the right, just right now and Riri not there.
I don't say you just jump on prove things.
Oh, yeah, what then?
You have to take time for me can believe in you.
Oh, how long? Because I say we don't live for too long. How long?
You will soon find
See, you never give Riri no time. Riri tell me today saying find a man, not today you call Riri be and the 200 they said there.
Listen me now. You see how me meet Riri and buy the bag and go in like that. And it too good. So me say me can't let her go. But Riri look like she wild, me can't tie her. Like Riri has some loose leg of goat about the place around up and down. Wild. And bad. You know how long me not see this girl?
Oh my. Me now go bad and wild and loose. Go the right by your side.
Seeing is believing still me.
Yes.
No way, go and watch and see. So, where's the other?
I go home now?
You not ready? Are you sleep over?
Oh, me can't sleep over?
You know, see me one day.
Alright then, so you can look for something to eat because me hungry. From morning me hungry.
What you would want to eat?
What you have? You have lobster and then something there?
It's that part there. Me now can't work with it. Me not reach that stage there. Me have mackerel in my cupboard and mixed parts in my fridge. So I have to choose which one I want out of them two there.
Oh.
Because me not reach lobster stage yet.
How long before you reach lobster stage?
Don't worry about that.
Alright, me take a mixed parts.
Alright, I'll go with it.
I tell you, no me that forget a man. No more Riri. Turn woman a yard. Wife, you know. Wait. Yeah, alright.
You see my phone, Kayla?
It in my room.
You make a call, you know.
That tasty, but me no want that.
Sorry, with.
There. We gotta go home and come back later.
Like if somebody don't call me, come forget an important call now.
So you follow me good on the road when I'm done?
Yeah, I can do that one. Battle star.
What do you
Feel so.
How you feel? Feel nice?
I want something right.
Or no right? Right, boy, last night they didn't want to give me nothing. They want.
Yeah.
Yeah, B?
So me should come out for me.
You don't know you should come out for you, B?
What? Me never have all me shot.
B, take off it one at a time.
How why?
B, we was doing it, B.
Doing what?
B, me a come, me a look on the ramen. Hold on. Me make ramen for you.
Must do me and Jane.
Cover back the ramen because you don't need it right now. When you're cool, if you have ramen in the pot.
Me go have a bed with
What going on, B? What?
I want to know how me should come out for me.
Baby boy, you should come out for you.
How?
You don't enjoy it.
Enjoy what?
B, stop playing though. We must enjoy the most me, B. We did it. You not happy? You want to go again?
After me no remember asking me for that. I don't know myself.
B,
I go do that so fast.
B, you did ask for your just don't remember, B. Let me give it to you.
Oh God. Man.
And if I can want give me some money. You know, like a one day. You want other one.
Money for something I don't know about.
Baby, get me that midnight when I time you tip out your foot them like a fall.
I never still asleep. I never dream this.
Can't bother you, man.
Anyways. As me did not tell you I want to call me the way upon his brother.
Be a camera go now, no be. After 5 now.
So how me I get the money for your thing?
Oh, you know the money. You should have started from the beginning for me, man.
So me not tell her say, when I say I go for my phone and come tell her say it's a phone call me there and wait fun.
Sometimes I can't bother with you, B.
The man says.
I tell me work so hard.
But wait, Kayla.
Hmm?
So as me go for my phone and come back and drink, I feel Josie. All of a sudden when me wake up, me tell me say we did it.
Mm-hmm.
Kayla, what you putting on my drink?
Nothing.
You sure?
Yeah. You can't go again.
Mm.
You know we do more things.
Alright.
Eh?
Soon find out. But anyway, Mr. Dawa, link your budget for your money. Don't move, you know.
I mean, you mad at the money that?
Yeah, I'm soon.
I'm money that me not hungry, alright.
Alright.
Mm-hmm. Oh, you need more than what you need. Oh, boy, for shoot.
See you up there now.
I'm up to nothing at all, B. Up to nothing at all. You get through?
Yeah, man.
Thanks. How much this?
Yeah, fix it.
Oh, thanks.
You have to do your business, you know.
Oh.
Last time you not to want going out.
Alright, later.
How you go?
Eh?
How you go so fast?
Oh, me have some business to deal with, man. Important business. ASAP. I come to deal with ASAP. Right away business. I come to go deal right away.
So, say you couldn't wait, look.
Me I'll come back later, man.
Yo, so you not peel me, you know.
Me not peel you. Me can't peel something like this. Oh, Jesus.
That's a love. So, say this now too going on, you know, because business money this, you know.
Oh.
Business wise.
Alright, so later we come. Like, you wait for that for the next round.
Again?
You know what more?
Alright.
Me must say, well, again, I do not working. I do all of the working. You just do done, so. And tip out.
You see, it first rounds. I'm not sure about that, if I know about that. So, just a little more. I work out something.
Alright.
Make sure you come back, you know.
Me I come back, me have to come back.
Make sure you come
What's up with them? I'll come back here.
back.
Wait. Yeah, later.
Anything original. Come to one, original.
Girl! Don't let me so out. Oh, we did that along, girl. Girl, I don't know what to say. Me just never there here. I did gone. You don't know what to say one morning me wake up. And my auntie that must come for me. My friend that we just left. And so I come back and on the place. So I no girl, me just late. Tired man. Let me, you know, feel a way. Feel sickish and all and something there. Girl, me I buy a new phone. Me realize you come and just put in there. But you find another man now? No. Oh. But me just there go and live, girl. Oh. Say look so. Come look. It's fine. Girl, me have something to say about Papa yet. No, what I like a bit Papa yet. I will. I put there one of the person first. I'm going to somebody first. Bam!
Break. My woman look now.
No, be baby mother, baby.
So, you're pregnant?
Yes. I found out yesterday, I'm leaving to tell you. But two of my friends come along, they say I best have to tell you. But I don't say it to you, but I say it to you now. Yes, you know, say you're wicked. You see all you? You make me have my works up. And now you're breathing. And me that I know you're breathing. And me that I'm going to take a rest, man. You need to take a rest, man. Girl, a lot of things that happen. Me see mama wanting to myself. So after me, that's all good and ready. I don't care. Me that's all ready. You feel dead. God forbid it. She got dead. God forbid it and send it back to you. I'm not breed. I'm not dying. Have me whooped up. All if you know you can breed, my friend.
I have my whoops up too.
And my auntie come for me.
Auntie?
Auntie? My auntie there. My auntie there. We are uncle. Daddy.
Daddy, I what?
Why you call him daddy?
Oh no, I'm the father. Where do you? Huh? What are you doing in the area?
I'm in my area for that.
So, oh, sa chu your mama ta. Eh? A chu your mama ta. Eh?
Daddy.
Where you get daddy from?
My father said, oh, you are called, don't call me for no daddy, Labi. Don't come for no daddy.
I'm a son, this. I'm not separate mama. I'm a son.
Well, my breed for your brother.
In my what?
She that breed for your brother. Oh, God.
Like, no, sir. You can't prank me.
Me not prank you, ask them. No. It's not your son, daddy. Stop shit because he's my boyfriend. My baby father, my pregnant. Stop shit me that you're prank.
Hey, mama live up the road. What you doing in my area? Because I left your area.
When you're ready,
live.
Yes, when you're ready, I am selfish. I didn't see you empty. As a matter of fact, me is no more friend. Bye-bye. Have a nice night.
Come here. What happened here?
Me left from Kuwait for 2 weeks. Only to come back for years so she breathe for my man. Yes. Which is our brother.
What time tell us yeah, how much
Bye-bye. Have a good life.
Oh, you clearly so.
And then me say,
Man, you better go back here. We got this place for the family. I don't know. Nyam the belly kind. Me not call no picnic. What are they? Grand. Nothing. Jesus, I'm on the business. Grand great. Hello, you. Go up to. You. Pack your bag in the wall every day. Pack your and go on outside here. Go on. Oh, I'm wrong, you know. I'm wrong, but sorry for your condition.
You reach to the end of the movie, I go and big up on yourself. And remember, as usual, you say, drop on the annex comment down in the comment section. please like, share and subscribe. And remember with the promotion, so you can you put the number up on the screen. You want to promote the business, anything, or the camera work as well. So, thank you.
Bro, now go.
What do I?
Nah, do nothing. How you go?
Come and talk to you about yours.
You want to talk to me, say?
I feel like it's that time for me come over the yard and cook, wash, clean, and rake up here and do things over there. Because I must have my 18th birthday gone one weekend. So I feel like a time we can come moving now. We can live out of me yard, you know.
No, man. I feel like I cannot turn your yard, man. You don't have to move in so early, man. But say you're just 18 and I think like you're 19 yet. Worse, you're not even 20 yet. You don't make no sense to move in so early, man.
So why you don't want me moving?
I don't say me know why you're moving, but me I said turn your yard look a bit, man. You don't think so?
No, me not think so.
What make?
Me think that time for moving. Me at 18 now, time for me moving.
Wait till you're 18 and a half. You don't have to move in so early, man. I say you're not even...
Rampy.
No, but... You know...
Rampy. How you do? You have something over your yard to hide?
No.
You have something over there to hide?
You have a hide.
Move it, me go look.
What you over me hide?
Make me go
girl.
look. Make me go look.
No, girl.
Oh, pull the door.
What do you mean pull the door?
Oh, you have in our house.
Who you have in our house?
Let me look.
So somebody I can't sensible. Nobody in our house. Where you looking at your house?
No, be. I show me realize, say. You know, when I move in, I reach 18 now, I reach the age of, me don't pass age of consent. Now I can't move in at the house. I want to move in. You know, I move in with you.
You don't have to move in, man.
Why?
Why you want to move in so early for? Alright, give me 2 reasons I can't move in.
I am man. Me, I am woman. Me, I are your woman, right? So, by law, when you have your woman, you're supposed to put up your woman.
I really don't want to move in.
You blind? You don't see, say I want to move in. You feel like you want to put me in at the house. I don't like your style. You come like say that you're somebody else at night time.
No, I don't care nobody. I just never heard it. I just think you're ready for this yet.
What if you want?
For moving all this.
Me can wash, cook, clean, rake yard.
You sure?
Yes. I can't do other than something there. So you need to ask me if we're sure.
Alright, tell her. I'll give you one chance for moving.
Alright.
Alright.
I said I feel like we knew you have to make me move in the car. Hug me up. Yeah, me see.
Yeah, of course, you miss man. Alright.
But me I can't go over here because I go far. I don't feel like I'm going to the house right now. I don't depend on you later be.
Alright. God, Father, God.
Oh God. Evening, David.
Good evening. What is going on?
Nothing is going on new. But I hope you did not come.
Sit down now. What happened?
Well, you know, me turn 19 now. And if you come out of mommy house for a long time, you know, she normally run away when you turn 18 or something. But me never have nowhere for got the time. But now me feel like me want to go work and me can't bother with her because I know she gone already when you did leave with the day. So me that wonder say if I could have come up here, come stay up here with you and work.
Okay, so?
Yeah.
Yeah, yes, I
No
know.
2 bedroom you have.
Yes, I know a good place to know. Me not say no, you know, because I'm my sister, but me just want to know, yes, I know a good place in life tough right I say, you know. So
me manage it.
you
Me
not-
just want to go look one little work.
if you don't have to move out and move your house yet, you know, you don't do it, you know, because I tell you, you're so tough, you know. I walk me a 3 mile more go work every morning, you know. And I be a rock stone right now, every slippers and buy for 1 week, you bust out.
No worry your head. Me a girl. Me will get it easy.
Alright, well, me not tell you no then. If I say you want to live as a big brother, me not, you see me not tell you no, you can stay with me for a while.
Alright.
Some of the time my front door no work, so if you lock, I can walk around the back. When you're ready, you come and get one key cut to you.
Alright. So me a go come born next week.
Alright.
Alright. So later.
You come on.
Alright.
I can't man in my house, you know.
Later.
Like that while ago?
Yeah.
Like 2. But go out more.
When?
Every day. That's why I want to move in. I have to move in. Tomorrow, I have to move in.
some more.
No. Tomorrow, I have to go move in. I will go home. And I go tell me, I'm 18 now. But I will move in tomorrow.
No, watch out now. If you want more, alright, you can get more.
No.
You have to move in, man.
I want to move
If I
in.
just more, you want, you can't get anything.
No, I'm not business. I want to move in. You know what I'm moving?
Yeah, of course.
You know, look so.
Look at so.
You don't look like you want to move in.
No, man, more moving.
Because every time you move in, you have be excuse. You have one bag of excuse.
I love you, sir. No, man, you can't move in anytime, man. But like I said, like, if I just not alone, you want, you don't have to move in just for
I tell you, Mama, I want to see you more often. I want to see you 24/7. I want to see you on my eye side.
You have a video call that later?
You see, at this, me talk about. Every time you move in, you have some excuse. For why me can't move in. I want to sleep and wake up and sit beside of me. I want to go to my bed and me did it. You understand? I want to do lovey things.
Yeah.
Want to cook together and then something there.
Yeah.
Play have game nights and then something. You understand that?
Yeah.
So, yeah, me are moving, so I go home and me I go tell my mother say me are 18. And tomorrow I'm part and me not moving, you know.
Tomorrow? Tomorrow, man.
How when I'm moving?
Yeah, man, of course.
So why every time if you moving you have a problem?
No, I don't no problem at all. I just try to find out if tomorrow you can move in.
Where me you find out? Oh, you have somebody come here?
Come here.
Sometimes I want if you have somebody come here, you have somebody come here?
But now come here.
You're sure say nobody come here?
Yes, I'm very sure nobody's coming here.
You sure say me alone you have?
Yes.
You swear?
Swear.
For who?
For you.
You swear for me, because you're a liar.
No, but I do. Swear for
No. Swear for yourself. Say, I want woman you have and me alone.
I want woman.
Make sure. You love me?
Yeah, of course.
Sure you love me?
Sure.
So why now I'm moving?
No, I tell us to move in, you know. I tell us you can't move in.
No? You never tell me that?
No, but when you...
And me ever want to move in?
I make you permission to...
We there for 2 years now and me can't move in the house? How can a relationship that?
You don't say nothing. Me say you can't move in. Why me can't make it such a big deal?
Okay, every time for me want to move in, you ever broke me file and me like say, you know, want me run like I push up myself by you.
So you know why they want to move in?
Yeah, me I go move in. Even if you don't like it, David, me moving in.
Yeah man, that good man.
So you go and come over me yard with my bag and no, you don't come with my bag. Me pack up my bag and come. Me pack up my things and I come here.
Alright.
You understand?
Yeah.
So, me go home now.
Yeah.
And tomorrow, me I move.
Yeah. How do you Brocky? How many you do over here?
And me if you ask you that what you do over here, my man.
Wait.
I'm a man yard, I'm a man me there, what you do over here?
Oh.
We come over here for?
Sorry.
Where are you?
So you're there with the cousin now?
Yeah.
Oh, you know what you there with me?
You can't tell him over there.
So what you do over here?
But you sure you make the right choice?
Sure.
Yeah, of course.
Tala.
Huh?
Me do something in your life?
No, me ask the virgin a question. If you sure him if you must settle with.
You're blind? You send me over here.
Oh.
I wake over here for you know see your belly make carriage of people here.
No,
You got to go tap come over here.
Time me a come and this.
You go have to tap come because me a go move in. Tomorrow me a moving and me no want you over here. You understand? She said me moving, me no want you.
Yeah, I'm moving, man. Yeah, I'm moving. Not true.
Yes, me a moving. But you ever there be so?
She say I'm moving.
Yes, me a moving. Cause always there on your 1 foot, you walk up and down and beg. Me for do something in your life?
Me not beg.
Anytime,
Me
anytime.
virgin.
Me find a man. You and them, I have a virgin. Why?
I'm a virgin.
Oh!
You see man.
You see, anyhow, me don't want to live for year fast. Look, you see, sometimes I use them out when I don't use them out. You boy.
Remember say I come.
Yes, me I go home and tell my mother and my auntie everything.
Alright,
Cause
Yeah man.
Go on, yeah,
Go on man.
I can't look my boy now.
You sure you make the right choice?
Alright.
You know that the girl is nasty.
True.
He no wash plate, he no cook, he no do nothing over his mother yard.
Maybe I try my yard. I'm not real to them something with him now.
Rethink there. Rethink before you go make a big old such a step.
Yeah, well, I don't know about that. I don't know about that, but we take your advice, but I'm not sure about that right now.
What the look man. Look on the girl. And the girl said me go pick back fruit. And see if me foot me there on 1 foot. Where girl there? You could be there on in a man. See, you know me know.
What?
You cannot give them your all. Look how me give punsi me all. Look how me get foot. Big old of foot.
Your foot big for two man now.
We think we are doing.
We take your advice.
But as me check your point still, I don't know if you can help me out.
What that?
Now look at thing, you not to step up and look. You know me at that one, man.
That's right.
No, you have me, no, man. Can you want to hear me?
That's what I'm trying to do. How you look, sir?
Well, I want to get I don't know still.
What?
Anything you have? Anything you have, man?
Oh,
I am a dog.
I think so. Some cat being on the ears, yeah. Definitely have to.
Oh, yeah, I feel that. Yeah, respect.
What you say? 8 grand?
No, I say anything you have.
Alright.
You say one brother, he promised saying 8 grand.
Hold this way. Just hold it. Mr. Wally.
Oh, not for me yet.
Hold this one. Alright, at least we can do it right now, bro. Isn't it? Check back in the evening when we get our money, because this I have to buy put in some gas and buy one put in my credit. So, I don't know, buy yourself one juice. Well, I'll give you 50 money. Because I feel like this year, I just a tough meeting not to go to find one away, you know?
You know, say, I biggest this ever give you. From know you.
Alright, 2
You
minutes.
better you tell me say you not have it.
You want to
You better you tell me say you not
Alright,
have
me
it,
not-
boy. I swear. Cause you give me 2 days, we good still.
Yeah, but I'm not hot, bro.
We good still, if you're not cook.
Sure, come look over some food if anything.
Alright, let me say about the girl, man. Even though I'm a cousin, I can't tell her who there with still and still about.
Right,
You see, she, me I tell her about her.
Go on.
I know me not tell her nothing wrong. You understand?
Yeah. Come back on Pepsi here.
Oh, you buy KFC over there.
I come now, I can just come on the yard for watch out. Yeah, they take away all of my $1,000 boy man. Get what kind of man this a man? I want this man.
Boy, sis, work a kill me. Tired bad. You couldn't spread up in bed. You there, me from 6 o'clock in the morning. Me get up, me go work in the dark. Me come back in the dark. I'm better more. Me get up first and leave you a draw bogey.
You know how much time me wake up and spread up the bed? So you must can spread it to whether you leave me here or not. It
When
no
you
matter.
in the bed a draw bogey.
But me wake up all long and sit
So you wake up and not do nothing. You could have spread up the bed.
I no time to spread no bed again. I know much time me see you make me spread every time me I spread bed every minute.
Well, every minute you sleep in the bed, the bed have to spread when you sleep in it.
If me tired, me I go sleep.
Then nobody come to me, cause I must say my up here, go leave from work, come in a taxi, ride pan bike, come all the way here, so make up the bed and go back to work then.
Me smell plastic. You don't know say enough to burn plastic because it's not good for people health too. Why you light the fire outside?
You see me light fire?
From this morning before you go to work, you light the fire.
Look from when that out.
What out?
I me tell Matthew to keep an eye on the fire for me.
It is not healthy. Only if a neighbor live beside you, so make them call police for you. You know, so police can
you
charge
turn
you
the
for that.
subject. It's you that you turn
You
the
know,
subject
LT.
and you realize say you're wrong.
I mean, like, you're wrong.
Matthew keep the eye on the fire upon me from this morning. Me I'll pay him for do it.
So, well, it look like in this, I put more garbage in it. Look here, you see plastic. It is not good for people health. I don't know, say neighbor then can call the police. Me not like them
call
something.
police.
It smells too bad. It smells stink, man.
If you try it, then complain. If you burn it, complain.
No,
so,
but guess what?
I get rid
if
of
you
it.
even go light one fire, then you don't know, say, wait until everybody gone in their house in the night, lock up their window and their door.
And the night now.
You don't understand. People not gone inside their house, it gone lock up for sleep.
My business with that. My
People
business
with
was going
doors.
in these four
People window and door still open.
They not
They
shut
must smell
it.
all kind of sick.
They not shut it.
Some people have
I know
young
me
baby.
wanna burn the fire.
Me
you
have
know.
sinus. Me not even
I know
supposed
me
to
wanna
smell
burn
the
rubbish, you know, sis. I know me wanna burn rubbish.
Where that are they?
Say, speak of the devil, she appear.
Good evening.
I saw your mother. My
evening.
niece, come here. I know me love you, not true?
Yeah, me love you too. Oh, but follow.
What you mean? Look
I
here.
always take the hope. Love you too, baby.
I saw for your mother, although my sister, I like how she deal with you. Why as you come in so she call you devil? I saw your mother call Stally as devil, but
Hi. Nobody stir between me and my picnic.
I don't busy, so she want to call me right now. And I'm so happy and excited. I want to turn one question. Me how much?
no more 18.
You don't know how old you be?
18, of course.
You don't know
You
yet.
know say you're 18.
Yeah,
So I don't know you come and ask
But
me
so,
for.
so, you know that mean for me now?
What? You
Me a
go
pack
people
up.
on birthday. Eh?
Me a pack up and me a move the hell out here. Who said today me a pack up my bag? Ready? Me ready?
No. A joke you didn't make.
Oh, where you go?
Me got me man yan.
Eh?
Hey, hold on. Take up and go which man yard, go where, which man, how, what, when, where, how.
Oh no, man, me a talk to for 2 years now. Me finally go move in.
But no do things strange. Ono come to ono adult parents and guardian and say, Ray, we find a place, we go thinking of moving in. You just come rolla son, just pack up sansa, we are moving so what? Hi, who you brace up on? Who you are brace up on?
I understand, mommy. You just feel like I miss you, go miss me. I miss you, I go miss me, can't talk and something, you know. That's why. Go miss
You
me
know
too.
nobody talk.
But
nobody
the
talk.
worry is that
At least she wait until she are 18. Remember say, when you're 16, we mother couldn't find you. You go and buy your business and make sure you report to your miss in a police station.
Mommy
so you know,
too excited.
Oh,
It's
you
different. Mommy too excited.
What
It's
different? Remember say I did 15. When you miss
That
now
is
come
a
home
different
about
day,
3.5 weeks.
This is a different day,
Yes,
a different
so anyway,
when they
find
my
you.
daughter. As you say, talking from experience. It's not too wise to do that, you know. As your Auntie
Mommy.
Crystal said, me go through it.
No,
I mean, I have to come back
15.
home
No.
with what? My tail between my leg, them so.
Why you come back home, mommy?
I no good idea, baby.
It's
It's
because you
not
can't
a good
wash.
idea.
You can't
Sit down,
cook,
let me chat to you. Sit
and you
down.
cannot clean. Me can wash, cook, and clean. So me go and go to me something.
You think so that is what life is? You think that is what life
Let me
is?
talk to me talking. Don't talk when me talking. Talk me nice.
Hey, I want you put your foot in my face already.
Talk when me a talk. Me get up me need to stay out of
Yeah.
me and somewhere they go.
Put it down a decibel.
Ask me, I say, no, mommy. You don't have to worry. Me, the whole way, auntie can cook the peas. Although sometimes she can cook the peas and the rice and peas. We have to pick out the peas and out of the rice because it's tough.
Yeah.
Just make it a little bit longer than how she now make it and just teach her that, right? So alright, don't worry about nothing. Me I take my leave now.
What a way your chest gets high.
Remember when you cook the peas, you see, this time don't put no fab pan it, fab no go pan peas. You hear, auntie? Just throw water pan it. So me say sink the peas, me no mean say if you take a fork and spoon and try push them down, throw water pan it. That me mean, you hear? So now you learn something about the peas.
So you're serious?
You know, it look serious.
Alright, you're a big woman.
Bye-bye.
I don't think it's a good idea, but...
Auntie, you know me love you a long time. Mommy just jealous. Mommy no realize I'm
Hey! Jealous of what? So one person you know in the room, and one person you know in the room for hug. Alright, go long. Me no want it. Go long.
Me know you want it. I'm going to say, oh God.
Yes, so you're serious? You really are going?
It's a talk like you know I leave. Jesus.
Hello. Members. Come
Oh, whoa.
on
Where
up on
this
the
you
bed. Come
come
on, no way.
from?
We out there up on the bed like you want Japan.
Come be frightened.
No, listen. Nobody frightened. She a 18-year-old. And then so they give them consent. If you have sexual intercourse from 16.
I don't know about that.
No, that's how we
don't talk about that.
No, you need to listen.
I need to hear about
that.
that.
Me I tell her something, at least she not breathing in school. She at 18 and she still not pregnant. Remember say, me did tell you already, I'm going to tell you again, because I come like you not get it. You notice me not say nothing to her? Because you did left from the yard. From your 15-year-old and way, we couldn't find you. We mother couldn't find you. She have to report to your missing at station. Look here, a station, we have to go report to your missing, you know, the time you don't miss. And no for no go there with man and make parents have to report say no miss and no miss no. And uno know where uno there, we don't know where uno there. Me and your bigger sister, me couldn't find you. We mother couldn't find you. Lord Jesus, we go there so tap call me.
So you know make better sense to me if you know me do it, so me know what is out on the
street. Remember say you're 15 when you come back you're pregnant. Stop hiding.
You chat my business out of street. You really have to chat my business out of street.
Because me talk and you talk and the two of we talk and everything I tell you and you not listen when me I say. Never say me older than you.
Me know that already.
Me I still your biggest sister. I
know that already.
We mother dead and gone, but me tell you something. When you come back you're pregnant, you did too young. So we mother when I care you got doctor go dash away. I told me want chat makes me niece here. So keep by your mouth, she at 18. At least she not pregnant. I mean know say she have ambition, she go look work. What you chat about?
Me not like how you go on sometime, you know.
No, but I the truth compare 18 to 15.
Alright.
Yeah,
every little thing you throw that same thing in my face. Look how me change. Look how me live my life.
Yeah, I don't know. Yeah,
every minute you have to go throw that thing on my face.
Yeah,
so one thing me do wrong.
If you stop dealing with your daughter a certain type of way, she a big woman now, 18 soon 19.
True, me no want her to do the same foolishness. Me
you not going to do the same foolishness. She at 18. You do it when you're 15 and she's still not
pregnant. You're going like say you not do nothing. You're going like say you not do nothing.
Hear what me do? I hate pick me have and me carry the whole of them.
How much papa?
Me no dash me none. 8 baby father. 8
so how you gonna talk?
But me
wipe the mouth from your eyes before you wipe it from mine.
Me no breathe before time. Plus me know me baby father them. Although some of them now mind them, but me still know them. And me still make them know them daddy.
You still get unlucky though. Eat sweet talk.
No.
Eat
listen,
open leg and eat breed.
Sometimes you don't understand. So sometimes so sick as you don't understand, you know. Me older than you, although you're a big woman, you still act like you know what I'm saying. Circumstances make some woman do something where they no want to do.
Exactly. So circumstances come when me 15.
No,
circumstances
you was a child.
You don't know what was going on.
Listen to me. You was a child.
Circumstance can happen for you.
No,
It
don't
can happen
say
for
that.
me.
Me say, you make we mother turn in a grave right now. You're disgusting. You was a child. At the age of 15, you never had the consent for have sex. Where you left Ghana man yard? You gone 1 million years ago. But you are going like I say you're wrong and strong. That's why me have to delete.
Before me say something me regret,
no,
you never did that. No, you never did that.
Stand up and
you never did that. You never did know what was going on.
What you mean?
And you come and judge. You come and judge and you don't know what did go on.
Remember, say the little dirty foot old man you go there, we don't know little pitty love take up big man too much. And you did the young girl.
You think say young boy can give me what me want?
Look how you make me feel Sonia now. This gone much years ago. But how the way how you treat your daughter, me just explain something to you. And you make me get ignorant because you know say at the 15 you did be. She at 18 you not understand me I say.
So me not guide her.
Try make a story I don't know.
Me not to guide me pick me.
You can't guide her again. The horse done gone through the gate. What kind of guidance she want?
If the horse done gone through the gate at 18, she had a big old 40 plus tax. So what kind of horse must have gone through the gate long time now for me?
She adult. She go live with her man now. When she ready, she'll come back and look for you. And not do pity for her. And nobody not do her nothing. At least she tell us that she go live with her man. What is the problem? You at the age of 15, you did go left way and way mama.
See, you know, had nothing else for going about.
And you never tell nobody
back to 15.
Remember,
at 30 odd years ago that you don't find better to store than that man.
School, you did left going on when you look in and see you come back, you know. And that you feel know. So you know they know we're close to you that at least she done school, come out of school and have sense and they all look work now and they will live with
so
you. What problem?
No sense. Me survive the streets. Me no
that's
sense.
That's you and my sister, but you don't listen. Me not tell a lie.
Me I listen. If me never listen, me couldn't answer you back.
But the answer them way they give me no add
up. I put on some peas and make it so good and gone. Me love you, but you have me head, man. You have me head too hot.
Talk to your man.
You can't put up your bed.
Put up what? You put up your bed, B. You put up your bed.
Put it up.
No.
Why?
You put up your bed.
Why?
You don't feel like man put up no bed. You can't put up your little bed. You think you big? You know how to put up no? Just put up the bed.
It's not a problem, but you never be yet. You don't know put up bed.
Yes, we know how to put up
You want
bed.
to teach you how to put up your bed?
Yes, teach you how to put up your bed. Get up and put it and show me how you do it. Get up and show me how you do it.
Grab bed top sheet.
There's no one to see you.
Up meat. Up meat with 2 equal parts.
Jesus Christ. Boy, put up the bed. Me don't feel like me want to
show you how to do it.
No, me not put up no bed.
You put up your bed.
You put up your bed today and put up it tomorrow. Simple as that.
What's that? Damn, come over here,
You just say I move, me move in. You know, understand that?
Oh, you're moving.
Yes, me move in. So, proper bed, me I go on the yard, me I go on the road. Wash up the plate them and cook some food.
How are you?
And wash up the clothes them. And see one here.
I say
make me help you
watch
cook the food.
Watch anyone?
And watch him
we don't washing a plate.
See who we are for?
You don't know washing a plate with nobody here in the man there.
No! Me not wash no plate. Make sure say you wash the plate and everything. What you run me for?
What no man?
No run me.
Oh no man.
So, me wash the plate them, me not me go party and come back. And you some clothes around her back. See if I can help him wash them out. Cause me not feel like I want to wash. Me clothes them as it and me clothes them dirty. Me can't some dirty clothes from me hand. And remember me party them in the bucket round her back.
Where you going man?
Remember for them you know? Oh, me soon come back.
Panty now. Daddy.
What's your kind of panty? Boy, you are
nasty.
Brother, I always made it right with your one nasty.
Look on the plate them. Look there.
Brother,
look there.
the only reason
how long now then they do this?
The only reason I wash up it, me put up the bed because
I bed they spread.
So you not spread bed there?
You live with the man, me not do them sitting there.
You have to spread bed too man. After my house and I have to keep it clean. Not because she nasty, my whole house is nasty.
You not seal, you not smell moldy. Yeah, my virgin, me not like, you not smell moldy. You will do it.
Me not smell it.
You're strong, Diego, so. You don't smell it?
Man, come and finish this place, brother.
That is nasty. Look at you. What do you me come over here and see that the big old pot? All do you know wash?
Brother, come and chat about me yard, brother. You see me clean up my house. Just cool, man. If she nasty, me not nasty, me keep my place clean.
You forgot to tell auntie about this.
What do you mean tell auntie?
I have to tell auntie about this.
Who for auntie?
Our mother. Me have to tell her this too nasty, man. Too nasty. Me I tell you the truth.
You can't keep up with them sitting there, brother. You nasty for too long.
And you day night before you run her, but she gun and back her yard.
He nah left.
Run her
He nah
yard.
left. He nah left. You have to go find her way, but he
And
nah
the
left.
same thing auntie have with her over there. She too nasty. She nasty. In a fear room come like a when them a pack up garbage truck back. Nasty. If she eat something, plate under the bed, she put it boop under the bed. Cup under the bed. And look on the fear bed sitting under the
So under them in the shop.
underneath the bed. Look at Pepsi and bigger. You know what she drinking because the cork bite up. And so she stay around a little bit. If she a drink bag juice in your bag, she never drive away.
Boy, come on, I don't know all about her. Me I get on car.
Me a go change because I'm on the road, I go change and go tell me auntie.
Where?
Because
Hello?
you're brave to sit down in them and
Hi.
feel nasty, me say.
Yeah, of
Look
course.
more.
Look at more.
Aye. You see you? The other day me I talk to you about something. In a real life you go on. Now you see you go on. But all good, me still love you see way.
That's why I come out to the room.
Cause I don't know, it look like when me I talk to you, it's like true you now say a true, you get ignorant, you need to stop it and listen. Not because you're a big one, no, me still older than you.
I know, sis, I may respect and love you for that, but yet keep throw the same dirty water in my face every time we get in a nothing. When you was 15, we had to go find you.
Hey,
No,
I
me
have
do
come
wrong.
chat out that you want man for hear you chat about. Me a 40 odd, me a 75.
Hey.
Me older than you.
Alright,
You know, listen to me.
Alright. Oh, sure, change the subject now, man. But in real life, though, you know, miss her. Me
Miss
miss
who?
her, man.
Miss who?
Me miss her around the house.
Me niece that.
Yeah, man, me miss her. Me miss
Me
her
no
around
miss
the
her.
house. And you
When
know miss
them a
her.
take woman and I take hood. What you say? Me
Me
tell
not
her.
there. Me no want even hear about that. Me no.
What me can wait,
No
virgin.
matter.
Virgin
And I
Mary.
me I talk my baby girl. Me no want hear. Me know,
Where
but me
baby
no
girl
want
is?
hear. Cause you see me have a vivid imagination, and when me start talk about things, me start picture it. I mean, I want to picture my baby girl like
Me know
that.
because you're traumatized from your 15. Listen what me I say. Anyway, when they reach certain age and start take hood, you cannot stop it. You have a time to take hood, and you have a time where you leave hood. Them your people nowadays, they don't left hood noon tal. Anyway, them a go hood after the behind them, in front of them, back of them, on top of them, everywhere under them. So you can't stop it. This a generation born to take hood. Jamaica surrounded by wood, land and water. So Jamaican woman go love wood. Whether you like
You
it
have
or
to
not.
really
Me
go
a
in.
give you it plain and straight.
Me no want to know about
Yeah,
that,
act
man.
like
Me
I
know,
said she a baby.
No, me tell you that. Me just say I don't want to visualize.
Now
it.
you alone want to take her like wood, them leave the girl, she young, make she go
tell you, sir,
explore and enjoy
me just tell you,
herself.
say me miss her. And to be honest, me never want to say it, but me miss her cooking. Cause I no lie she a tell. Oh God, sis.
And I like
You're
she a tell,
70
so
odd yet, and the way mama can cook, and the way auntie then can cook, you really can cook for truth.
Yes, so now you can tell me,
Since we had to some whole truth,
What?
she right about the peas, you know. Oh God.
Better have to do with me.
No man.
You don't want to learn to cook.
No
not
man,
all.
you for cook better, man. You
No,
talk
me
about
not take no
food.
better. I want
Hey,
to cook and give me.
Come. Hi, so we hop along there if you come. You alright?
How are you? How am you?
Come make room for you, make you sit down.
Too broke, man.
Oh, you climb one tree and drop out there?
I bet you me go to say me a pick.
I
I
like.
just jump out of the tree and me land on one big stone.
You could have do it, but me see.
You sure breadfruit you pick and nothing else?
No, tell me
Mine,
that.
I Kama Sutra, I try, you know, and
No.
can't manage, you know.
Oh, yeah. Leave me never alone. Me like where you drop out.
You just don't
Well,
say them
I
are
do
adults.
matrix and
So Sis.
Yes, man.
And the wheelbarrow couldn't manage her with her and drop.
To him. And that's the auntie. We are coming here so far.
Sorry, me not laugh. You
could have broken your foot.
laugh. It's serious. I'm glad you're alright.
If you know broke already.
No, but you have to take bad thing make
If
joke,
it could have broke, my foot could have broke. If you know broke already now, but I broke again.
Yeah.
Hello. Come here. We are doing on perfume. Every time me put on me every time me put on me sitting them pan just say you go in a room go take them out, you know. You know say one dangerous boy you come in here and that style nice and fresh in a clean clothes and have an woman perfume. Yeah. The boy want to smell like a me all the while. Why you want to smell like a me? A woman perfume that buy man cologne.
If the perfume smell good, me can't spare it.
But when me did buy one for you, I drink yours, or me still have mine. What is it? Alright, you know what?
One night first me and spray.
Sis, me don't give you one money and you buy one cologne for me here. Because I see the cologne where I use, I want man did give me the money to buy it. If you never know, my man work at JPS. JPS and he name Popeye. And my man he have money like that. So when he man buy cologne give me, he just turn up the thing and say, choose the one you want, my baby. Oh! So if you take me man money and come, all when you may never. But Jesus have mercy, God. So me if you take Popeye money. Alright, here I go now. I hope you agree. I want me if you take for me man money and come home to you as my nephew and give you or go in a store and go buy cologne and underpants come give you. So if Papa wants our front
you have to find a rich girl nephew. You have to go find a rich woman.
Me not even about that talk.
That one she mean. Where you gonna get from her?
Where you coming for?
I kill me can't believe so.
She not there. Put out what? Get your story right before you come in and talk.
Yeah, me never but I want a little dirty mix up drunk.
Me here so put her out.
Who put out who? And she put out herself. Yeah, no put out like Kayla underage. Kayla 18 soon 19 next year. Wait there. No, on the next year.
You know, next June.
I see mama there and tell you I
next
June.
let me tell you how it go. Hold on, stick a pin and reverse and come back.
Look for me live in my mother house here. Me at 20.
What that have to do with it?
I don't me look pan.
You know what? I walk this. Big fool 20-year-old.
And I brag and boast on it. And I brag on it.
Hold on there. You are one big old, God know you are my nephew, but you are one big old dirty stinking Jama Roach, 20-year-old Jama Roach. You in your mama house and they come tell we as your auntie say, oh, me at 20 and me in and my mother house. And you feel proud of yourself.
I bet you tell her put her out.
Why?
Nobody don't put her out. She live with her man.
Aye. Come in with chest high and hand pan Kimbuck. Sick up here.
Hold on there, sis. Me know you what I say.
They say she nasty bad. So she had all her panty roll up in a bathroom. So
you know, say that part there, me not tell no lie. My sister and my niece, but me, you see the drugs them fit. We attack. And I mean she growing. Our mama you attack.
I know we are though. May take the crushes and lick you know.
No.
Remember, me a auntie, no friend.
No, listen how you go.
Know how you talk.
No, listen, nobody had to pay your foot. Let me tell you.
And I'm foot near the lick.
But I hear in here, I know him make up here.
I'm in the business with that part of the regness. Him come to me with. And the regness him come to me.
Drive them roll up.
Me and tell her you are looking for my foot.
You know, lick up on your foot.
I tell her she nasty, got people them place and I be nasty.
Me the razor, so she turned big woman and gone a man yard. Come in and tell me. Many business what they say. She come in and let me tell. She come in. How old am I now? Hand pan Kimber so. Until we say I gone, she gone. What me I gonna pull up on the door, put chain pan her, handcuff pan her. That is called kidnap and me can't do nothing about that.
Are you grass?
You're quiet now.
Because
How
you chat, so me no want to chat.
No, tell him say she a big woman.
I hear daughter, so me a
Him
listen
a
to
come
you.
in and a berate me, so you tell
I'm
him
a
say she's
niece,
18.
but you're not listening. Let me tell you, I'm a niece, but you're not sitting with you. When you did leave her with me and gone about your business and money, had gone tan few much a month, and she used to take off the jazz and fit you and throw it back on my bed can, and me and her used to have a problem.
I said auntie stay. I said she grew up and see she.
Where just say about her so auntie stay?
Come on, that's what they brought the other foot. Good. You should have licked your head.
The auntie there.
Damn ring confessed.
Me not tell no lie, Kayla. She's so 19, but when I did leave her with me, fit one and stay with the man for how long, me used to see she take off her dress and roll up here and she not do it. But me see, you know, me mean when me I spread up in bed and me pull with the bed from the car and me see whole heap of dirty dress around there. True, me and she did younger, me want you go kill her with lick. So me not tell her, me just tell her say she fit wash her panty them and her socks and them something when she used to go high school and so. She do all kind of nastiness. Yeah, she come boast about true me can't cook and me never cook peas good. And she said and when she bite the peas, it did sound like a rock stone in her mouth for true. And me did make the peas burn up. Yeah, come me put the peas on the fire and me did think say one time if you put water in there. And me never know say me fi sink the peas. So me left it on the fire and the peas burn up so me guard see me fi name black and you never there because she did hungry. And she name it, you know. Yeah. They burn up peas because me never cook it good.
And you think taste good.
Me never cook good.
But to God,
me can't cook. And that you not have over me. Me can't cook, but me know say me fi wash up the plate them and me wash up the plate them. Me always wash up the plate them.
You do that. Me know you do that.
Yeah.
But
and Kayla, me sorry for her cause here there. Yeah, we never say, oh, they have the chat, oh, she can't cook, she can't wash, and she had dashed down drawers and one, me sorry for you. I feel me.
Sorry
no,
for
who? I mean, sorry but
for
I know me,
when you did it to me, she's a big woman. She's a big woman.
Yeah, she
let her go.
But
so she go.
She's a big woman. And she 18, same way, she not 19 yet.
So a big woman that she make her way, and that she tell me.
All right.
Krista, we want to talk to you. You ever talk to somebody? Me just walk past Kayla, you know. I mean, I almost walk past my own child. Me never recognize her.
What do you mean? You don't know your own Whitney?
Not this one. You know, say she maga from morning. I saw she draw down. The skin just a hang pan the bone.
Maybe she...
The eye them sinking sun, or eye them too big for her. Me no know. Maybe you just have to stand up and watch her pass.
Yeah, you hear me say? Maybe she live on that.
How she love her belly?
No.
What she tell you off about and I cuss you about cooking? How she love her belly? Something wrong. But what I think say the way she a gone.
Tap fuss you up over Kayla.
Fuss you up if you did see her, sis.
Look here.
A walking dead.
You hear me? Maybe Kayla have worm. So every time she eat the worm, they eat out the food out her belly. I can worm she have. And they have one hook they have one name hook worm. That kind of. So maybe I eat make she maga, you have to go buy her some.
I hope so, because that's not my baby that me no one raise.
You know, say we're my parasite.
Yeah, man.
So maybe you have to go in a pharmacy and tell them say your daughter have worm. And you need something to kill out the parasite them out her. And then she will get big and fat.
That's why we come and talk to you, know, because you have more...
I think nothing else happened to her.
Because like, seriously, sis, if you did see her, you would have frightened.
So you not talk to her and I say nothing to her?
I'm frightened. Me just stand up and watch her pass. She never even see me. So me have to look good for see for she.
So you will see her daughter up on the road. Remember you said she not see you, know. And you will see her. And you not even say hi in her by. Are you her child?
No, I'm frightened, man. I couldn't believe say my baby could have gone down to that. When me tell you, say, the skin just a hang on the bone. Yeah, them pop out so. And I mock them. Look now, I mock them.
A worm she have?
I pray you're right.
She have worm. So where you going to do about it?
You not think of something else.
Where you going to do about it?
I forgot. Me know where the boyfriend is, so me I go talk to her.
Toga!
Well, him probably know what
Not do that again, you know. Say yes, auntie. Oh, Tana. But yeah, Toga. Yeah.
No talk to you.
So we have to take so long for coming and so far. Like me tell you, say no for come back in. I want to close the door and make a mosquito them come in here.
This way me tell you all and day, go for your daughter from over the boy yard.
How will you come out now?
Go for your daughter because your daughter they name there. Water upon the boy sister over there.
Do that nothing. I should leave me niece alone. I said
dirty water.
Acho?
And the girl must get a
joke you're making up Kayla no mad. Your love runs on serious joke.
And the girl must get a reason. So why she throw dirty water upon the girl?
No.
Exactly.
She over there problem in the boy yard.
Throw dirty water.
And the boy sister over the yard.
So no more something am I.
And this place
so hold on.
Can you go see a fear picnic?
No. Nobody put it on her. When she walk out, she's a big woman.
My cousin too. I walk on him and say, your sister nasty, her cousin nasty.
No. Me never when you walk on road and people say some relative where you have nasty and this and that. Just act like you're this man, you don't know.
Yes, that total
you don't understand. Act like you don't know.
Auntie, go for your daughter over there. When you know in this village, then when people start talking, you're going to look bad. And I feel picnic and you push her out, auntie, go for her.
She a big woman. And that's what you tell me. And she told me when me try to stop her, your auntie Crystal said, no, she's a big woman. She's a big woman. She's 18. Remind me so me do when me 15. So she a big woman now. And so everybody tell me.
Me influence. Me not even go over that story. Me not go over that story again. I don't believe what I want to believe and say what I want to say.
Listen, where the hell are they? I look for the halo. I know you when me
you know say she coming here with her mom.
Yes, me never said that. Me say when me I try talk her out to it, you tell me say she a big woman now.
Then I'm sitting there the girl do Kayla. You see you big and full of your picnic.
You hear me
say Kayla when go just throw dirty water.
You hear me say something say the same thing.
I feel something then.
When me not listen what so you me not get it from.
I feel something.
Me not say the same thing to you. Me say the same thing to you.
To me niece, so me niece throw dirty water.
One for your daughter. Last time me I tell you, one for your daughter over a boy yard.
Toga, she a big.
You gonna lie down.
She a big woman. She stand up exactly where you there. Pull Hannah Kimber tell me say big woman. And my sister tell me say.
And then you have to go bury her when sitting down.
Don't say that about my niece. Oh, Tana.
Call that down.
I you them go bury. Oh, Tana, no, I'm my favorite niece. You're brighty. You see, you're not listening. You're saying this coming as until the one bag of story and you believe.
Oh, and you not listen when him tell me the story. What me say to him? Me say what the girl do to her. I don't know. Me say well she must have do something. You too busy at round up your mouth and not listen.
Because me I chat to him and you watch at the same time.
Yeah, you not listen. So me not listen, me get it from you because you're the bigger one. Me follow you.
No more something then do to me niece.
Of course. Kayla na lick first. So me know that. That's why when him a go on, me tell him say, everything good man. She's a big woman. She defend herself. She not take no this.
You shouldn't make Kayla go there with no man neither.
Hey.
Man, fi make him and girl
She's 18. She's 18.
Yes,
she's a big woman. Remember when you was 15, we had to go look for you. Huh? And I saw you tell me I try to talk to my picnic.
Me and auntie and mother should have still stand up on your foot and say Kayla don't go.
I'm 75, I'm the bigger one.
Yeah, me at 75, I'm the bigger one.
You have short memory. Huh? When it suits you. When it suits you.
Of course, me say she a big one and she can do whatever. But you as a mother, you don't know the man she a keep. I first said about that man there. Me don't know him. You don't know say what this man. No, see that she gonna put herself in a dirty water. Look more police. Me gone. Me not turn up here. No police not come to me and you them come to.
She's 18, at least she better than you.
Of course she's 18. And she can deal with certain things by herself, but not everything. Your mama,
so
me
them man. He said for front door now work me to walk back. But he didn't give me the key yet to walk.
Hello, who you?
Oh, you have me there too.
Who you talking, bitch? Who you? Who you?
No, sir.
Who you, big girl?
Mama, who you be? Who you be?
Me not talk all this bill. Me not talk. Alright, don't move, cause you live in here. Don't move,
you know all this bill? What the little steelfish girl here? David! Oh, David, they do a God.
What are you? Who you, girl? Who you? Jesus Christ, who you think you big girl? What you do, ya?
What going on, son?
Yeah, so me come and me call you and say my front door now work me fuck about. But you never give me no key and the girl come wake me up.
How is that girl? You give me bud now. You give me bud now.
Girl, put on your eat that. Oh, you throw water for my sister.
I your sister.
You didn't tell me I've made the hour.
No, go on.
Me went up you in
No.
You don't come push me.
Then David, what kind of something this is you going with that stuff? You didn't tell me say I have made.
I'm sorry about that, man. I mean, eat that. So sorry about
Them a live it here no good at all.
So what you with you?
Me come and call David and me turn me back and look to see if you go come from this and me get walk around the side there. And some me could have dropped down flat and alive.
My bag of cussing me here and come over sitting the party out with you. I'm sorry about that, man. So sorry.
Who she?
I'm gonna eat that girl.
So she do ya? I want you to start living with the man.
Don't worry about it.
So you living with the man in the front of your look so?
That's one of the problem them too.
No man.
Don't worry, me soon sort out everything.
Come with me going. We want going.
I apologize for that. I apologize for that.
Why?
Yes. David. What?
Yo.
Oh, man, man.
No, sir. Let's say the anak. Let's say the anak.
After I clean the place?
No, do a little bit.
Slide.
My bunch up here. There.
You clean the place, though.
No, get to work.
Where the pan?
Brother, I don't say. Yo, I'm really using my sister father over my yard. And eat that girl, go with him up. He father over my yard and call for me.
Your sister father over here.
And him a call for me. And then,
And which eat that girl?
now your cousin, he come round and say, oh, you be? Blah, blah, blah. I got up in a one bag of
Wait up your sister?
Yeah. He come in a one bag of argument with him.
And you know put her out?
So
Yeah, better sit.
no.
Tell me say you put her out.
That me want to do. That me want to do, but he not left.
We mean shit, I feel your place.
He not left, brother.
I feel your place, put her out.
He not left, you not understand. You know, like you have some rat in your yard, no matter what you do, try to get rid of them. They not go away. Around cockroach.
Put her out.
You not
Make she go
understand.
on her yard.
Okay. Cause when we come closer to you, dirty dog. Me and you, a cousin. And you come over here and tell my man say, to put me out. I'm your cousin.
You could never be my cousin and so nasty.
With what?
Turn bad.
I'm turn bad with, I'm nasty with.
You're too nasty, man.
I'm nasty with, tell me I'm nasty with.
Clean up with no one, you know, lip and try.
Who tell you that?
Him tell me that you don't listen nothing. You don't do nothing.
Tell you, yeah. Come wait, what you telling me to send me?
Oh, you think that she was upon the man's sister?
Oh, I never knew it was his sister, you know. Me think I don't like a dirty waste trash girl, them. Like him a carry place, but you may not wash, cook and clean for him. So that for defend my territory. Oh, go on. Come in and understand how you come over here.
I feel a place.
I'm me live here now. Get up. And go your yard. Get up and go your yard, you know. Get up and go your yard.
Who left here?
Let's have it true. Come in and understand.
Because I don't understand what I run over here, so.
But what come over here, so. Every day you come over here. Where you come over here for?
Oh, you can't stop me from come over here. You cannot stop me from come over here. You know what? No way over here.
Easy.
You're laughing like that. You will lick you out in your mouth. Remember, say me hold of that.
Yo, easy, man.
Let go of my crush, yeah?
Easy.
Let go of my crush.
Hey.
Easy. Go on.
Me not shut up
You
on me
know
now.
how you nasty, so.
Yo, go on, man.
I tell your mama grow ya.
Yeah, man.
I hear the next one too. You're gonna defend me. I make him a disrespect me. I love cow business guy road.
You don't carry guard road. You don't see me yard me there. I'm carry guard road. You don't see my house, sister.
So we are telling my business. Why are you telling me my sister? All you need to know that.
I want to talk to you. Killer, me feel like you're moving too fast. Me not feel like we're ready for this. I feel like you can't walk over your mother for a while and we kind of figure it out. Because I feel like we are moving too fast. Like relationship, everything just happen and we don't really understand what happened. So I feel like if you go back at your people and feel time.
You know I love you. You didn't know that?
No?
You don't know that? I'll make you know this. Come here. Me now go back on me yard. I yes, so me a turn until me grey and old. The two out forever. We connected. Me not got my hand. Me not moving out. So let me tell you that from now. So take it out of your head. Me not move out. Me sorry for my sister, but me think I didn't want other girl yeah moving. Guess what she come with bag? What she have with bag? I mean to with her. And where me she went up in dirty boy tugger. Can I come and argue me and put up in crutch in my face? And you not defend me. You make all like 1 foot boy and bully me. And you just sit and cover my mouth. Yeah what?
Alright. Yeah. You're right. Sorry, I shouldn't make you put the question.
No, I say that Anders.
Yeah.
Anybody want me to go home?
No.
Me go change. Me like when you tell the place.
Alright.
Me love how you clean up the place. You see everything. I say next time you come over and say, oh, clean up the place. I say, we get up early and man and I clean up the place. So they won't know say clean up the place. And me close them.
Listen to me. Go down and shot for me. And come back then.
How will you chat to?
And you ask me, ask her.
No? Me can't walk right now. Foot hurt me, baby. You walk one. Foot hurt me. Me can't walk right now. Go on. You go on. You know me love you already. Come back sweetie for me or something. And yeah? Yeah, me tell you, me come off your work. Me a queen. I lie to me, I lie to. Cup of water.
How we are there the same way?
I'm saying, ask you, we are doing, and you live, we are doing.
Yeah, you live for why? When since?
What we can do going on? Can it seem like you want to make it?
No! David! Come water me again. What David?
You don't know the meaning of going yard.
You don't know the meaning of stay over the yard.
Okay. I'm not arguing with you.
Me not argue with you either. Put me out.
I'm not arguing with
Put
you.
me out. Like you never do nothing here. Floor like you want to sweep. What you there for?
Why you don't sweep it yourself if you have a problem with it?
That's
Why you don't do
the
it?
house have 2 rooms. 2 rooms. Yes.
So why you don't turn up feel you find yourself worse? Is he
Can be calling for my brother?
You don't say you're coughing with me?
No, me not cause I'm brother with them. Just when you come out.
What problem?
Yes.
What problem?
Me come around here, I look for you, ask if you're not cooking.
Yeah.
Me hungry and me I wait for the dinner all long.
And someone sort out something for you now.
You don't have to go cook, no?
I'm a sister and a boss up. When you say you're hungry, I get something for you.
In the beginning of can't cook.
You not big enough you live and pay your own.
I live with me man. Is there a problem?
But you contribute, you know all this bill.
Sometimes
You
you
know
wonder
all this
if you're
bill.
not busy with your brother cause
easy.
you ever when
I don't know if you want there, if you want there for my brother for true.
Easy man, easy.
I'm not about what your brother for you. You're not in a business. You should see your sister.
Girl, are you that? Where you try to?
You don't ask me if I idiot. If you need to ask your mother if she are the idiot. You don't ask me if me an idiot.
And this is this free mother girl.
Stop.
Oi!
eat that. But you have to come and about my sister.
How you want to chew me?
You wake me up the last time, you know. And then you never get none.
Sis, go on, with you.
See what you
Me want the food, Davy.
Me soon come to you, me soon
Me
come.
can't go round.
You go poison that girl there. And the next one.
Yo, Mr. Bada, me soon talk to you.
Daddy, me have something to talk to you about, no?
No, when me come out of the chat too. Cause you're the next one. You never want to defend me. You know everything you want but abuse me. Alright, you go poison her.
Daddy, you can't get that out of your place. You come over here, things you do. You looking at your nose.
I can't have my nose up. Can't smell good. Mama, you don't smell good neither.
Oh, you're bright. I might slap you on your nose back with that picture.
Father, I get more and get him out. Get more and get him out.
Daddy, you know what you need to do?
What?
Tell her, say, ask her, say, oh, you never carry me go meet your mother-in-law yet. And make she carry you go over the yard. And then after you just tell her, say, she not coming back. Cause if you tell her to pack up and she not like, tell her, say you want to meet your mother-in-law. And make she carry you go over the yard.
Boy, you have sense, man. You come like a good thing in your broke your head. We have sense, my boy, man.
Yeah, sense you, but
tomorrow she'll come out of my house. God as my witness. Tomorrow. You
you
can't.
see that, watch. Me come good, because I can't take your argument. Me come good.
I respect, yeah.
Me gone. Now look, come on.
Yeah, let's get me and push you down.
Push me now.
Sit down.
You think I insist at this?
Yo, go on.
You think I insist at this?
Easy.
I look at your poop.
So one put my in the palm but I want to argue with. Sometimes I wonder if my want to burn.
I'm not going to fight, so.
And your sister me.
No, man, alright.
And she dropped me. You never see that? Me ever get wrong all in me right? Lord Jesus.
Alright, you're right.
Lord have mercy.
You're right.
Me right, me know me right.
I should like how you mean for my family.
No, me not glad me meet she.
But I want to meet for your family. How you not care I'm going to meet your mother?
I meet me sit me. Oh, I meet me auntie and my mother.
Yeah, I want to meet them.
You want to meet them?
Yeah.
Alright. So later, I can go back there and I know.
Yeah.
So you know what we are going to do? Later we are going to bed. I put on nice clothes. I go meet my mother and my auntie.
Alright.
Where you want to meet them so?
Because two way meet for my family there, man. No matter what serious now we live in. Yeah, my sister there. You know where I become a local family. So I want to meet your family too.
That's what I have to love you know.
Alright.
And then we all create family of our own.
Yes.
You want family?
Yes.
You sure?
Sure.
Not really like I want one family?
Really like.
Like you born?
Yes, I'm from Eastern.
You know what we want to do?
You know a surprise way now.
What kind of surprise? Tell me what the surprise.
You can't do it, you have to go that way.
Me go to the over.
No, the surprise is not go. Come on. Let me show you.
No more the twins.
No man, go. It's surprise out there man.
But no more some of the banana now.
When you come back,
Every time I sit down right there. So.
Sis, what we gonna eat for dinner? Listen now, what we gonna eat for dinner? Now talk to me now. Crystal. Here. Mother young girl. What we gonna eat for dinner tonight, Crystal? You talk to me?
Actually, me did play music. So you say?
What we gonna eat tonight?
What we are going to eat? I don't want nothing to eat.
How you not hungry and you ever hungry? What you want?
Me alright. Me did plan say me will go down to Burger King later. I don't want nothing to eat right now. Somebody will come pick me up.
You gonna get Burger King for me too?
Somebody will come pick me up and me want to go Burger King tonight. I tired for food sometime, you know. Plus I want burger for eat. Yeah, me buy one for you.
You gonna get meal for me? Want a number 7.
Number 7, okay.
Large.
Alright, large.
I'm gonna want vanilla ice cream with it. Vanilla milkshake. But you know how the milkshake thick, so it come in like ice cream, so I'll get me 1 spoon too. Please and thanks. Thank you. Yeah man, when you go for it? And then my phone for come for you if I go get the food, come hungry.
Anyway, you know what I'm saying? One man tell me say I go buy one ticket for me, so I go to Bahamas for one little work. I mash one little works. So I go off it go for a couple weeks. But I send some money come give you. You see money when I send come give you, you need you to put it down carefully.
Yeah man.
You understand? Do not use it.
No man.
When time I start work, I make sure tell you what you have to do with the money. I want you buy a piece of land and put on your rest. When I come back, start building.
Of course, man, you know, so the right person this. Me just send the money, come on, me will look after it for you. You do the right.
Alright.
Why, sis, things are move up for way. What happened?
Auntie, mommy.
Hey. What is not this?
I'm gonna meet my lovely boyfriend, the love of my life. This is my auntie Crystal, and this is my mommy Charmaine.
Hello.
Papa Jesus, if you're not busy, come down here so come help me. And this a dirty foot boy, you make the come carry news to Toga every time. Eh? To your cousin.
Auntie, shut up your mouth. Shut up your mouth.
Just because you move out of here, just remember who is the auntie and the mother. You're still the picnic. Lower it down a few decibels and talk to your auntie and pre properly. Because me a boxer, you know.
Nobody boxer.
Me a boxer.
Never say she adult, no. Nobody boxer.
Adult, she can take some adult box then.
Right,
know your place.
Old people box then.
Know your place.
Hello, have manners to your mother. Don't go.
See me for my mother, I said you want to meet them, see me? Come on, time to go back home.
Hold on, I'm something to say. Miss Crystal, Miss Charmaine, right?
No call me name drunk, I don't know you. But you come there with me niece and I walk in at my place to say me know you. Not even ask me if you can come in here, come step in here with your big old dirty foot boy. And then my boy catch crab a bush. I be a mosquito and carry in my place. Come on!
Auntie, I can't shut up!
Hi, me don't know about that again. Next time.
Come on.
Next time. Me go wash him out for you now.
Very important. Miss Charmaine.
What you want?
Miss Charmaine.
Hurry up and talk and come on.
I alone show me respect. You see your lovely daughter when you carry come out this world. More you push up my head where you come from. I'm born him back again, kinda no sense.
What? How is this?
Someone he said Jesus. How
I'll carry back home.
Lord God. Why? Let me put the water down. Me not need it no more, God.
Oh.
Can't run joking, man. Call me back home.
You don't know shit.
What you say?
So how you carry me back home? I mean, you carry me back. You blind?
Girl, you only act like you're idiot, boy. You're not idiot. If you did carry your bag, you don't know, so you're there come.
How?
Okay.
So like you care about going on.
Okay.
No,
take her with you. Me no want. Don't leave her here. Don't leave her here. No. She a big woman. I know you tell me say she a big woman. Make she go along with him. No, don't stop her. See she a big woman. And bring her back to her. Why my belly? So what, Miss Big One? What happened, Miss Big One? That is so big for the yard.
The man is my problem. I'm gonna move it back.
No.
Me just remember say me have that stuff to contact. Me not bother about it.
No, you don't know something out time.
So wipe up them tears there. You a balfin man when I want you. You hear that, girl? You a balfin man when I want you.
Me not bother again, auntie. You say me love you. You're my favorite auntie.
Let me go, cause you feel sense.
Anyway, so we come back home.
No. You can't jump out of vexation and come in a happiness so quick. I want you. I know your man that.
Tell me do at the yard.
What you do?
It's me at the yard, auntie. I live like me a queen. I don't do nothing. I just lie down and cock up.
So me here.
One day now, me over there. This girl combo. Where Davide? And me I say, oh she not dark. So me go in my house for a buckle for a pot of water and dash in her face.
In dirty water when me hear say you wash up plate, you wash up your plate them from when and save up the dirty water there. Yes. And you touch up on the girl, what she do to you?
She didn't to me, she come and
True, she asked you, Davy.
Yes, I did.
And the same one we had she must have do something.
If you find out, say, I'm sister.
You know, shame.
Don't go to jail.
I'm move back in now. Anyways, go bring a line and sleep.
Which part moving? Go get your bag moving where? After you cuss me.
moving in.
Which part? Well, go wash up then.
Hello.
Go wash up
Me
then.
tell you something. You see, no mother. Me and your sister, but me go tell you about some mother. And you are one of them. You see, anytime no children them in a problem with man a road and man put them out, either them come back off of them own or the man carry them back, or no run them out. So then figure up on road. You want 1 million man go door.
I saw spoiled picnic day in the world.
So you put your daughter out the door?
Me put her out in the first place.
Me know, but you tell her so she can't stay here, so that means you want she go
so
now.
She can pick me up and dash me when she ready.
No,
no, mommy.
Go and go lie down and
So, mommy.
No problem. Go and go lie down. Your response.
No,
when them a cuss and I come back and I carry go bring come, they gonna send them straight to you. Saturday nights, you know how much news we hear about you since you gone. Your responsibility.
No problem.
You just talk too much, but I know where you get your mouth from.
But me I warn you, sis. She rank with me, I gotta kill it. Because I bring it into the world. And we will take it out to the world.
You see, you something wrong with you. You're mad.
Something, yes, me mad. She mad me. She mad me. The two are not mad me.
You local.
Make she rank with me. Since it's your responsibility.
Bipolar.
Make she rank with me and see what me do. The same, what him see me for do? The same pum me come from, the same pum me I go put you back. Oh, watch out. Rank with me again.
Why you not go
rank with me again.
Little.
Rank with me again. Me wash out your mouth.
Jesus Christ, my family.
And why you talk to me? Say, take me your size.
No, but hey.
How you feel like? Lie down. One more.
Not me wrong.
Oh, Todd, if look, no make hey. Oh, Todd, you get too bright and too red now, man.
You're lucky she did that. Come ready for wash your mouth. Oh.
When she end of the movie, big up on yourself. Watch the movie come so far. You know you go. Yeah, if you enjoy it, drop an honest comment down in the comment section. Like, share and subscribe for me, please. You see me? Yeah, and as I said before, big up Popeye. I don't know me there on 1 foot, I can't move around too much. You see me then, so I have to keep my foot high for you swelling go down, so that may I rep on. You see me? So big up on yourself. Remember, contact the number up on the screen. If you don't have anything you can send across, do it right for me. You see me? Big up on yourself.